At least 3 Indian states have banned a cough syrup after several children died allegedly after consuming the product. So far, deaths of 14 children across the states of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Maharashtra have been reported. India's Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, the CDSCO, is moving swiftly to take strict action. The CDSCO said it will write to the Tamil Nadu FDA and urge them to take action against the manufacturer of cough syrup, Coldreff. Police have already registered a case against the pharmaceutical company. Maharashtra Food and Drugs Administration has restricted the sale, distribution and use of Coldreff syrup with immediate effect. Those who are in possession have been instructed to report it to the drug control authorities. Now, according to reports, authorities in Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara have arrested a doctor for allegedly prescribing the syrup to several children. Additionally, the Madhya Pradesh government has imposed an immediate ban on the sale of Coldreff, along with other products manufactured by the same company. Kerala and Tamil Nadu have also issued public alerts banning the syrup. CDSCO has also launched risk-based inspections at manufacturing units across 6 states, where the drugs linked to these cases were made. These states include Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So far, 19 drug samples, including cough syrup, antibiotics and painkillers, have been taken from affected children in Madhya Pradesh and have been tested. Now, according to reports, 9 of these samples have been found clean. Results are awaited for the rest. However, news agency PTI, citing sources, reported that these samples did not include the 2 cough syrups under scrutiny, including Coldreff. However, tests conducted by the Tamil Nadu Food and Drug Administration from the manufacturing premises found that the Coldreff syrup contained dangerous levels of diethylene, glycol, and DEG, a toxic chemical that is not used in medicine. When ingested, DEG can severely affect kidneys, liver, and nervous systems. Symptoms in children begin with nausea, abdominal pain, and reduced urination. In severe cases, this progresses rapidly to acute kidney failure, seizures, or even death.